Susubukan namin ni CJ kainin kung talaga bang masarap, no? Itong mga MRE na ito.
Oh God, it's still hot.
There.
Ako si pambansang ulo ko at ako'y laging handa. Hatid ko lamang ay saya, miski na bata matanda. Kung madami mang problema sa buhay, okay lang yan, mahalaga. Andito tayo at itawa mo lang yan. Pagod ka ba sa trabaho? Okay lang yan. Hindi ka pa sumasweldo? Ayos lang.
Ang tawanan, abot ng magdamagan. Ang tawanan, abot ng magdamagan.
Crew Locoys.
Hello, Crew Locoys.
Yes. Kagagaling lang ni CJ sa school. Can you tell them how school today?
It was good.
It was good.
And it was a minimum day.
It was a minimum day. Where do you go to school at?
Taylor Elementary School.
What grade?
Fourth.
Grade. Something cool happened today at school?
I don't remember.
You don't remember? Okay. You know what? You haven't been making any videos lately. Your friends are looking for you. Where's CJ?
Wait, who? My friends?
Yeah, your friends. Our subscribers. Say hi to our subscribers. There you go.
Fourth grade.
Okay, so today, CJ, you know what we're gonna do today?
What?
Eating. We're gonna do a taste test.
Are we going to do it blindfold?
No, we're just gonna eat. So what we're gonna do, ang gagawin po namin ngayon mga be, no? Kasi may mga nag-request na kung pwede naming tikman yung mga, kung tinatawag nilang MRE. Ang ibig sabihin ng MRE ay Meal Ready to Eat. Yan yung mga ginagamit nila, yung mga military, yung mga ganyan. Tapos yung mga nagka-camping, ito yung mga kinakain nila.
Lots of fun stuff during the summer break.
Yeah. Ako hindi ko pa nasubukan itong ganitong klaseng mga pagkain, no? So, this time, yeah, susubukan namin ni CJ kainin kung talaga bang masarap, no? Itong mga MRE na itong mga to. So, mayroon kaming may mga binili ako rito. We're gonna show it to them, okay?
Okay. So
first, that's
scrambled eggs. Wait, freeze-dried,
just the
scrambled eggs with bacon. And
Okay.
let's show it to you.
Okay.
Okay.
Not too close. They won't be able to see it. There you go.
Wait, let me see just because.
Okay, that's good enough. Okay, and then we have
Breakfast
skillet.
Hash brown something.
Tapos meron din kaming beef stroganoff. Sa pangalan pa lang ang parang asasarap, no? Pero tingnan natin, we'll find out. And then we have you want to show this to them?
Freeze-dried chicken teriyaki.
CJ,
With
chicken teriyaki.
Teriyaki. Oh, it's like a Japanese word.
Yeah.
With
I thought you were
rice.
Japanese.
Teriyaki.
Yeah, teriyaki. So meron ding chicken teriyaki. At meron din
Yes,
akong
I am half Japanese, half Korean, half Filipino. My dad said when it was the summer break.
meron ding dessert, no, na kinuha ko. Ito ay
Ice cream sandwich.
yeah, ice cream sandwich, mga kaibigan, no? Nakalagay dito ice cream sandwich, pero paano naging ice cream to kung hindi naman malamig? So titingnan natin kung paano ba talaga naging ice cream sandwich to, no?
So that's for lunch?
Yeah.
Dinner?
Kaya babasahin ko kung paano ba talaga i-prepare to. Nakalagay dito, preparation instructions, open package, yan, open yung package, Tapos, carefully add 2 cups of boiling water. Dito, lalagay yung 2 cups dito, no? Tapos, and then, ayan, tapos isasarado ulit ito habang nandun sa loob yung mainit na tubig. And then, let it stand for a total of 10 minutes.
Okay, so I can take a break of that?
Yeah, you can take a break for 10 minutes. Then
Eat them?
we'll try to eat them.
I'd rather eat.
Kaya ngayon mga kaibigan ay kasalukuyang ako'y nagpapakulo ng tubig para sa ganun ay masubukan na natin tong MRE na to para masabi ko sa inyo kung talaga bang masarap o hindi. Okay, so hintayin natin ang aking mainit na tubig. Okay mga kaibigan, so ito na yung kumukulong tubig, no? So lalagyan na natin tong mga to para ma-testing natin. Ito mga kaibigan yung chicken teriyaki. Yan. So ang chicken teriyaki kailangan ng 2 cups of water. Ito palang itsura nito, no? Pag wala pa yung tubig, ayan, no? Kita mo ba? Ayan, dry talaga, parang pagkain lang ng ibon. So, lalagyan natin ng 2 cups of water. Boiling water. Ayan. Ayan. Isa pa. Aray ko, mainit. Yun. Tapos, sarado ulit natin, no? Tapos, ngayon, ito naman yung scrambled eggs. Okay. Same thing. Ito naman, 1 cup lang. Papakita ko rin sa inyo ang itsura nito. Ganyan itsura, oh. Subukan ko kayang kainin ito ng wala pang tubig. Wala pang Subukan ko lang, Subukan ko lang. Yan. So ito yung scrambled eggs. Parang parang alam mo yung mga nabibiling chichirya? Parang ganun ang lasa. So lalagyan natin ng 1 cup ng mainit na tubig. Ayan. Sarado natin. Ito naman yung beef stroganoff. Ito naman, 2 cups of water din. Ito ang itsura niyan. Na wala pang mainit na tubig. Ayan. Titikman ko ulit. Oh, parang talaga, parang yung mga chichirya talaga ang lasa. So lagyan natin ng 2 cups of mainit na tubig. 1 2. Ayan. Tapos sarado ulit natin. Ito naman ang breakfast skillet. At ganoon ang itsura. Ito ang itsura ng breakfast skillet. Parang yung kanina rin. Yung scrambled eggs. Pero titikman ko pa rin. Sarap. Kahit na walang masarap, parang chichirya lang. Ito ang kailangan dito, 1.5 cup of boiling water. So, yan. Half. Tapos, para maging 1 ay. Isa pa. Yan. Okay. Na. Seal natin. So, we have to wait 10 minutes, no? Bago natin buksan ulit ito at kainin. So, I'll be back and... Oh, actually, me and CJ will be back in 10 minutes. Okay, mga kaibigan, mga crew, mga be, ready na. It's been 10 minutes. So, ngayon,
10
we're
minutes?
gonna try to eat them.
Okay, so this is for dessert?
Yeah, later.
Okay.
So, susubukan muna namin itong breakfast skillet, no?
Ooh.
Ayun yung tsura, oh. Lapit mo, girls, para makita. Ito yung breakfast skillet. Beef stroganoff. I think we're gonna call this mukbang.
Oh!
Scrambled eggs.
Let's see what that looks like.
Yeah.
Don't show it to me. Don't show it to me. Don't show it to me. It does.
How come it's still wet?
Chicken teriyaki.
And then dessert time.
We're gonna do that last. So ito yung chicken teriyaki pala. Chicken teriyaki.
Why is it still wet?
Sabaw yan, sabaw.
Can I have this one at
Okay. So ito yung breakfast skillet. So yan. Ano natin? Breakfast skillet. Okay. It's okay. Come on. What do you think?
I like it.
What?
I like it.
You don't like it?
Uh-uh.
Really? Why? Why?
But that's disgusting.
Hindi ka mabubuhay niyan. Scrambled eggs.
It still has water in it.
Yung scrambled eggs, lasang plastic. Pero hindi ko na Englishin para kumain si CJ. Okay, your turn.
No, your face. That means it's gross.
No, it's good, man. Look. My God, it's so good. Try it.
Whatever.
Try it. Use your spoon. Try it. It's good. You just need to put a little bit of maybe spicy sauce. Really? Seriously? Wala, hindi ka talaga mabubuhay.
That's just disgusting.
Mariosep. Okay, let's try the ano to?
Oh, that looks like pancit.
Look like beef stroganoff.
I'm sure this is gonna taste good.
Really? You think so?
Yeah, spaghetti. Looks like spaghetti.
Oh, this one really tastes good.
Okay.
Tastes
if
good,
you
yeah.
Say so.
This one really tastes good. Try it.
If you say so.
Go. Try that. Tastes good.
What?
Look.
Oh God, it's still hot.
There.
You have to chew first.
It's good. It's good.
What?
Is it hot or it's bad tasting?
What?
Okay, ito. Next is the chicken teriyaki. This one looks good. Okay, this one you're gonna like it.
Okay, I better like it.
Chicken teriyaki right here.
Hot, it's hot.
There.
I like it.
Huh?
I don't like it.
You don't like
You
it?
didn't chew it. You need to chew it and taste it.
Oh.
Good? Seriously?
They're all disgusting.
Si Uncle Josh nga kumakain ng dog food eh.
Anong parte ng babae ang masarap? Ano? Edi poke.
They're all disgusting. Anyway.
Ikaw Marites, gusto mo tikman? Tikman mo. Sabi ni Marites, oh. Okay mga kaibigan, so ito, subukan na natin tong dessert.
Can I eat that?
Ito yung ice cream sandwich. Yeah.
That's gonna be good.
Sabi dito, basahin ko lang sabi, yes, this is a real ice cream sandwich. Talaga. So, ang nakalagay dito, it's freeze-dried. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Freeze-dried.
Can I eat it?
Buksan na lang natin.
I want to eat it.
Sandali nga. Mamaya, dura mo na naman.
Dura, 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 dura.
Oh, parang talaga. Ay, pero bakit? Hindi naman malamig. Paano naging ice cream?
That's what it's called, dry.
Sandali! Ito ang itsura mga kaibigan na yung
Fine, you eat it first.
freeze-dried ice cream. Here, try it. No, you try
You
it.
could eat it. You could
You
eat
try
it.
it.
You can eat it first.
Okay.
It's all crunchy.
Wait, why?
It's really good. Try it.
Come on.
What?
That's good, huh? So parang ano, parang yung macaroon. Di ba? Tawag doon, macaroon ang ano, ang lasa nito. Masarap. You know?
Dito huting.
Sarap. Oh. So ayan mga kaibigan, ito na yung request ninyo na subukan namin itong mga MRE, meal ready to eat. Yan. Not bad, you know, not bad. Okay lang, you know, kung wala kang makain, talagang ano, hindi naman yung talagang nakakadiri yung lasa, pero okay lang, may lasa din. Konting, siguro konting hot sauce lang, okay na. So ayan mga kaibigan, thank you very much for watching this taste test of the day. Thank you! Oy, liga dito. Say bye.
Bye!